Welcome. In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 tablet, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your device using your screen lock pattern. So the best solution in such case would be to try and remember the screen lock pattern that you entered the last time. So take your time, and if you really can't do that, then the other best solution for you would be to contact UMIDIGI customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your tablet to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to it without the need of removing any personal information and data from your device. And if this doesn't sound like an option for you either, then you can perform a hard reset operation on your device. You can do this both remotely and locally. If you have Google account connected to your tablet, you can use Find My Device feature to recover the access to your device by performing a factory reset using Find Hub service by Google. You can log into a Google account on the Find Hub website and select this tablet on the list and select factory reset operation in order to erase all data from your device. And after you perform a factory reset operation, you will be able to regain access to your device once again. But if you don't have a Google account connected to your device, you can perform factory reset by using recovery mode. And if you don't know how to do that, or you need some help with that, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. I hope that some of my suggestions helped you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.